No codes found, Mike. I'm going to try to start it now. I had it started yesterday. I'm pumping the gas and then I'm going to try to start it. I don't know if you can hear that. It's not cranking over. There we go, it's about to start. Okay, it's on. And it's off. Now it sounds different. I don't think it's dead battery, but it sounds different. Okay, I'm done. As you can see, it won't start. Tell me if you think you know what it is. There's no lights, like dummy lights, whatever, those warning lights, no lights on. I have no idea what it could be. Alright, doctor, tell me what's wrong with her. Bye.